Hi families and future students. I'm here to talk to you about technology, media arts, and what we do in our classes throughout the grades. So in kindergarten and first grade, the first couple of years, we really get acquainted with the equipment that we have in the building, which is the computers, the mice, all the hardware that goes with it, and utilizing the mouse and navigating the internet. We bring them into the production lab. We teach them how to use all the tools in there, the cameras, the soundboards, the master control, and we also do some iMovie and GarageBand where the kids will be able to create folders, put pictures in folders, and then bring them into iMovie, and we dabble in GarageBand a little bit. And that is all even in first grade and kindergarten, but it's all the way up through. In second and third grade, we begin animation and some programming. So we do some very basic programming using a program called Scratch, and I teach them how to do some stop motion and create animated videos. They will end with creating some presentations for class to go along with whatever they're learning in their regular core classes. In the fourth and fifth grade, we specialize in programming, where the students who are into gaming and game design do some more advanced type logical and conditional statements, and they create video games, much like the one I have here. This is the program that we use. It's called Scratch. This is called block programming, and it allows kids to do pretty complicated programming in a way that is easier for young people who don't know the math that's involved yet. And this is just an example of a game that we were working on this year. Typical kind of old Atari Nintendo type game, and all the kids will create something like this. They embed music, they edit pictures, they create animated start screens, game over screens, sound effects, and they even design their own purpose for the game. So it's pretty high level stuff for fifth grade, but that's what we're doing, and then they will end with creating presentations, and they will also go in the production lab as well using iMovie and then the production equipment in the green room. All right, so thanks a lot. Take care.